Hey guys, today let's explore surface area and volume of cube and cuboid. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Let's go. Let's see hollow cube. Cube is a solid bounded by 6 square faces, and all these 6 square faces are identical. These are identical square faces which is having same area. Okay, and if I'll arrange all these 6 faces like in this pattern, like this way, I'll get one hollow cube, right? And this cube has 12 edges, 8 corners, and 6 faces, right? Now, let's see solid cube. Cube is a solid bounded by 6 square faces, right? And if I'll consider one of the face of this cube with side equal to L, and if I'll stack all these squares on one another in this pattern, like vertically, I will get one solid cube, right? With each side is equal to L only. Okay, so here we can see there are 6 total faces, 4 lateral faces with 12 edges, and this is a solid cube, right? Now let's see what is surface area of cube. Okay, we know that cube has all 6 faces which are identical faces. It means that cube is bounded by all 6 identical faces which are square in shape. Okay, now let's see how many faces that cube have. 6 faces, and lateral faces equal to 4. If I take one of the face over here and will calculate the area of this face, that is equal to L into L, that is equal to L square. Okay, here we can write down area of each face equal to L square and total number of faces equal to 6. Therefore, the total surface area of cube is equal to 6 sides into L square, that is 6L square. Okay, and what are the number of faces? That are 4. It means that the lateral surface area of the cube is 4L square. Okay. Now let's see volume of cube. Volume is a space occupied by a solid body is called volume, right? So here we will consider one solid cube. For this, I am taking one of the face of the cube, that is with length and breadth equal to L, right? And if I stack all these faces on one another in vertical manner, I will get one solid cube with length, breadth, and height is equal to L only, right? So to calculate the volume of the cube, I will multiply all these sides, that is length, breadth, and height of the cube, because all these 3 sides occupied the space which is called volume of this cube, right? So volume of the cube is L cube or side cube, right? Now let's see how to get solid cuboid. As we know that cuboid is formed by 6 faces, right? 12 edges and 4 lateral faces. Okay. And here, if I'm taking one of the face of this cuboid, which is with height h and the breadth equal to b, and if I'll stack all these faces on one another in this manner, I will get one solid cuboid, okay, with length L and breadth b with height h, right? Now, let's see how to calculate surface area of cuboid, right? Here we have one cuboid which has number of faces equal to 6, number of edges equal to 12, and number of vertices that is equal to 8, with lateral faces that are 4. Okay, here the length of this cuboid is equal to L, right? And the breadth is equal to B and height is equal to H, right? Now, this cuboid has all 6 faces, right? So for top and bottom, there are 2 faces which are identical, right? And the lateral faces that are front, back, and side faces, right? So all are having the length, breadth, and height, right? Suppose if I want to calculate the area of each of the face, so top face is having the area that is length and breadth. Okay, this is if I want to calculate the area of top face and the bottom face, which are identical in shape, they are having the same area, that is length into breadth, right? And if I'll take front and back faces, for this I have to consider length and height. This is the length and the height. This is the front face and this is the back face. So the area of that front and back faces are length into height, right? Now we'll see the side faces. Side faces are having sides, breadth and height. So the area of these side faces is breadth into height, right? Okay. Now, if I want to calculate the lateral surface area of the cuboid, I have to consider only 4 faces, which are the lateral faces. And what is the area of these lateral faces? We can see that here, front, back, and side faces. So, what is the area of this? This is the 2 times of L into H plus 2 times of B into H. So, we'll write down over here 2 into length into height plus 2 into breadth into height, that is equal to 2 times of H into L plus B. This is the lateral surface area of this cuboid. Okay. Now, let us see how to calculate the total surface area of cuboid. To calculate the total surface area, we have to consider all 6 faces, right? So, we will take all these faces. So, this time we will add the area of top and bottom faces also with this lateral surface area of the cuboid. It means that already we have 2 times LH plus 2 times BH, that is the lateral surface area of the cuboid, and we are adding the area of 2 faces which are top and bottom. Okay, so the total surface area equal to 2 times length into height plus 2 times breadth into height plus 2 times length into breadth. That is, we can write down 2H into L plus B plus 2 into LB. So, 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. In this way also we can write down the formula, right? Now, let us see how to calculate the volume of the cuboid. We know that the volume means that is the space occupied by that solid shape, right? And here we have the cuboid which is having length, breadth and height. Okay, so to calculate the volume of this cuboid, we will multiply length, breadth into height of the cuboid so that we can see the volume of the cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Okay. Okay. Now we'll take one example based on this concept. Winkle bought a small fish tank for her house from aquarium with dimensions 75 centimeter into 45 centimeter into 60 centimeter. The top and bottom of fish tank are covered by thick plastic sheets with small openings at top. The cost of the fish tank is calculated on the area of glass sheets used for it at the rate of rupees 3,000 per square meter. So, what is the price of the fish tank? Okay, this is the problem, and we can see that this problem is of cuboid, right? Because that fish tank is in the shape of cuboid. The dimensions which are given here, 75 centimeter, 45 centimeter, these are nothing but length, breadth, and height. Okay, so let us see how to solve this question. Okay, here we have one fish tank. And now, according to this problem, we can see that the top and bottom of this fish tank are covered with the thick plastic sheets, right? It means that four sides, which are the lateral sides of this fish tank, which are made up of glass sheets. Okay, so we have to calculate the lateral surface area of this fish tank, right? Okay, let us write down the given data first. Okay, so length equal to 75 centimeter, breadth equal to 45 centimeter, height equal to 60 centimeter, that is given, right? And rate of glass sheets, that is 3000 per square meter. As we know that the unit conversion, that is 1 square meter equal to 10,000 square centimeter, right? Okay. Since the cost of the fish tank is calculated on the area of glass sheets used for it, and here glass is used only on front, back, and both the sides faces of the fish tank. Therefore, lateral surface area of fish tank equal to 2 times height into L plus B. Here we'll put the values 2 into 60 into 75 plus 45. That is equal to 14,400 square centimeter. So we have to convert this square centimeter into square meter. That's why we are using here 1 square meter, that is equal to 10,000 square centimeter unit. So we will get 1.44 square meter. This is the lateral surface area of the fish tank. Now we'll calculate the price of the fish tank. For this, rate of glass sheets is equal to rupees 3,000 per square meter is given. The price of fish tank is equal to 1.44 into 3,000. That is equal to rupees 4,320. It means that rupees 4,320 rupees she has to pay to shopkeeper, right? I hope you understood this problem very well. Thank you.